Hi everyone, welcome to Investing with Saraan. This is a quick video that I'm going to be posting about for Wealthsimple Trade. You may be wondering why I'm posting a video in the middle of the week, but there's a big reason why I'm doing so. And this is because my prayers have finally been answered. Wealthsimple Trade finally has fractional shares for stocks that may be too expensive for certain individuals to buy as a whole. When you go and update your Wealthsimple Trade app today, you'll see this pop-up that comes up on your screen. This is the new update for Wealthsimple Trade, and it has been implemented for their new service. This in fact makes them one of the first trading platforms in Canada to offer fractional shares for Canadian and as well as United States companies. You can invest in companies valued as high as Amazon for as little as $1. As of this moment, this option is for 14 stocks, including 4 Canadian firms, Shopify, RBC, TD, and the Canadian National Railway. They also include 10 American companies, and this includes Amazon, Tesla, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Netflix, Coinbase, and a couple more. In order to use these fractional shares, individuals will just have to go to the stock and choose the fractional share option. For example, here I want to TD share, and a pop-up appeared under the name of Toronto Dominion Bank with the pie chart symbol right beside it. This indicates that there's a fractional share option for the stock. Then you go to the buy option and choose which account you want to purchase the stock, and for me, I'll choose the TFSA option. Now, I would choose the market buy toolbar, and there are 3 more options that appear. The newest option is the fractional buy option, which I selected. This shows me the information about how the fractional buy works, and after reading it, I press continue. This is where the buying process of stocks previously is different from fractional shares purchases. Here, you would type in the value of TD that you want to purchase, and it gives you the estimated quantity of the percentage of share that you want to get. After looking at the percentage of share that you would get, you would press continue. One thing to know before you confirm your purchase is that Wealthsimple Trade gives you a heads up on when the order will be filled, and that would be at the end of the trade day, which would be, in my case, at 4 p.m. As of now, there is no limit buy for this fractional share and could result in purchasing a percentage of a stock at a different price and a different quantity. The best solution for this problem as of right now would be buying this fractional share at the end of the trade day. But now that we've looked at the new feature, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this fractional shares. Are you excited for this feature, or do you want more stocks on Wealthsimple Trade to have this feature overall? But remember, if you guys like my content and want to continue supporting me, punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It's been Saraan, and join me next time on Investing with Saraan. If you want to watch more videos from me, click on the videos down below.